In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Outbrain. Here's the short, honest answer. Once your Outbrain account is created, you can't change the currency. The currency is fixed from day one, and it carries through everywhere: reporting, budgets, and billing. So if the account was opened in dollars, everything you see and everything you're charged will remain in dollars. Here's why it's locked. Outbrain sets your billing currency based on the country or region you choose during sign-up. That selection anchors the account to a specific currency for tax, billing, and reporting consistency. After setup, there's no toggle, drop-down, or hidden setting in the dashboard that will switch it. This is standard across many advertising platforms because it prevents mismatched invoices and exchange rate fluctuations from complicating your books. If you want to confirm which currency your account is using, you can check it directly inside your dashboard. Open the Payments or Billing area and look for the currency label. You'll typically see a currency code, like USD, EUR, or GBP, next to your balance, invoices, or funding method. That label reflects the currency chosen when the account was first created, and there isn't a way to modify it later within Outbrain. Here's what that means for your day-to-day work. Plan budgets, pacing, and performance reviews in that fixed currency. Reports, spend totals, and CPCs will all display in the locked currency, so make sure your team and stakeholders are aligned on that point. If you need to analyze performance in a different currency, do that conversion outside the platform so your internal reporting remains consistent without expecting the dashboard to switch. A quick recap. The currency is determined by the country or region selected at sign-up. There's no in-platform option to change it afterward, and you can always view your current currency by going to the Payments section and checking the currency shown there. Keep this in mind when setting up new efforts so you avoid surprises later. That's it for today. Now you know exactly how currency works in Outbrain and why it can't be changed after the fact.